Hey guys, today I have brush cutter which doesn't start. In this video, we will take a look and try to repair it. Let's get started. First, we will take a look at spark plug. Remove the boot. And remove the plug. We can perform visual inspection. If the spark plug isn't mechanically damaged. This one looks good. So let's test it. We need a wire. And we will wrap it around the body. Right under the part which is used for removing the spark plug. We can put spark plug back into the boot. And hold the other side of wire onto the engine body. Now try to start the engine and watch for spark. As we can see, we have the spark. If the spark wasn't present, you may have faulty plug, wiring or coil. After this we can install the plug back. Next step is to check carburetor. We will remove air filter. And we can see there is broken fuel pump. Because of this, the carburetor didn't have fuel. I am going to change carburetor for a new one. But I will make a video about repairing them. We can start by removing throttle cable. The carburetor is held by those two screws. Here we have carburetor. When swapping it for a new one, don't forget to swap the fuel lines. And we can put it back together. Now we will pump fuel into the carburetor. We are done, let's try to start it. In another video I will show you what to do if your engine is running dry. Thank you for watching.